Hi everyone, my name is Melissa. I am in Edinburgh, Texas. So a little bit about me. I am obviously a nurse. I work in neuro ICU. I have about 10 years experience in the hospital. About 8 years as a nurse now, coming up on 9. So I am a gym enthusiast and a anime geek. I have one wonderful puppy. He's 9, so not really a puppy anymore, but he's wonderful. And then I have a fantastic boyfriend. So my motivation for taking chemistry is basically as a prerequisite to CRNA school. I'm hoping to take away from this course into organic chemistry, maybe get a little bit better understanding, and be able to transition that into medications for anesthesia as far as pharmacology goes. So that's about the gist of me. Look forward to meeting everybody.